Hi, I'm Chef Maeve. We're gonna eat our way through all the Finlandia cheeses, making only Stratas. It's breakfast all day. You can think of it as like a savory breakfast bread pudding. It's egglicious, I know. Try to contain your laughter. It's good stuff. Delicious whole milk, and we whisk. I like to put in my salt and pepper now so we can really whisk it in. So I have this dog creamer, and I found that when I shake it, it's really easy to get it out, and I'm not cross-contaminating. We're gonna take our croissant. Oh my gosh, they smell so good, and I'm so hungry. I'm gonna take a little snack. Just roasted cherry tomatoes, but you could use fresh ones too. Onions, parsley, chives, and then I have bacon slices. All I'm gonna do is literally rip. This might also be a great therapy moment. Here I have 8 slices of Finlandia cheese. I shred it up. So we really want that croissant to absorb everything. And wait till I show you what's gonna happen in 30 short minutes.